Our recipe for today, Korean chicken ginger soup. So the ingredients I write down on the screen. You can take a look, guys. So first, I'm going to remove the fat and wings from the chicken because I don't like it. And then I'm going to put all ingredients in the chicken except carrots, celery. So put the garlic, the ginger, the rice inside the chicken, and then the onion and the spring onions. And then we are going to transfer this in the deep big pot, and I'm going to add 3 liter water or more if you want more soup in the chicken. And cook for 2 hours in a low medium heat, and then after 2 hours then I'm going to put the carrots and the celery and the bay leaves or dahon ng laurel. This will give or add flavor to our chicken soup. And then cover and let it cook again for another 1 hour. After 1 hour, then I'm going to remove the vegetables that I put before, like that. And then I'm going to add now salt and pepper to taste. It's like that. So I can't wait to taste it. I love ginger. It's good for my neck. I have Halsschmerzen. So, and then we are going to broil for a couple of 10 minutes only, and add the chopped spring onions, and ready now to serve. So serve hot and warm, and enjoy the chicken ginger soup Korean style. Bye guys.